Hi, my name is David Charney with eLearningLocker.com. So sometimes you want to kind of have a cross between both the worlds of creating your own drag and drop and using the convert to freeform drag and drop functionality already created in Storyline 2. So I'll click on Object 3 and you can see how this was put together. It uses to adjust a variable when the object is dropped on any of these rectangles. So you can create a drag and drop very easily by selecting an object, creating a trigger, but the key is to set this to object dropped on, and I've selected the 4 boxes here. So just due to me setting this to object dropped on, Storyline will make this object draggable. So I can now click and drag and drop. So all these objects have the same code on them. I'm going to run this, preview, and here we are. I've got these 4 objects. I can drop this, 3 and 4, and then we can set this to be a submit button. I can add all sorts of code, unique code to handle this very unique drag and drop that I might have. And there are a number of times where we need to have kind of our own custom drag and drops, not using all the functionality created in Storyline's drag and drop. But when we build our own drag and drop, certain things can happen. And I'll preview this again and show you that. So here's my custom drag and drop. I'm going to say object 1, 2, oh wait, that's 3. I want to go 2, 4, oh wait, now I've lost 3. Where's 3? Well, 3's hidden under here, but to a learner who's going through this challenge, and this might be way more complex than this, it might be very difficult for them to find wherever 3 went. So what we'd prefer is that you could only drop one item on this square and the other one jumps back. So if I dropped 3, or I'm sorry, if I dropped 2, 3 would jump back to here. Well, you can't really do that all by yourself through triggers. So what you can do is you can use aspects of the Storyline drag and drop with your own code. So I'm going to go ahead and select drag and drop, and now I've got the kind of usual menu that you'll see if you create a drag and drop. I'm going to go ahead and, if I can find them, select the 3 objects here. So now I've got my 4 objects listed in the drag item box. I'm going to go back, and if I run that right now, it will work the same way. So I'll drop object 1, I'll do the same thing, 3, and now I'll drop 2 on 3, still gone, 4. So that's still a problem. We'll close preview. We'll go back to our form view for the drag and drop. We will add in all these drop targets. We'll do the same thing, 3, 2. You can see now it works a little bit different because we've dropped some targets in there. Now, just due to the way the drag and drop functionality works for Storyline, is it will try to stack them. So that's a big help. I mean, certainly now I can at least see that there's 2 objects in one target area here. But that's still not quite what we want. So I can go back to form view, which I'm in, and by the way, because I'm controlling a lot of functionality on my own through triggers, I don't have to set any of this stuff. I can control everything through triggers outside of this drag and drop. So I'm going to click drag and drop options, and I'm going to come down here and select allow only one item in each drop target. So I'm going to preview this again. I'm going to drop object 1, object 3. Oh wait, let's put object 2 on there. So you can see 3 jumps back, which is exactly what we want to happen. 3, 4, let's put 4 here. Okay, 3 jumps back. So now you never have an object that gets lost. So I hope that can give you a high-level idea on how you can combine both Storyline's drag and drop functionality with your own functionality. It'll allow you to do a lot more than Storyline allows you to do right out of the box.